Hey, gals and guys, it's Chris Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com. So I'm going to give you some tips about Canva today, Canva editing. So if you want to do like a live shot like I'm doing now, and I'm actually going to use this shot, and then you want to keep the audio constant, and then you want to add other video, other pictures on top of that. So it's a continuous narration, but you pop up once in a while, and I'll show you exactly what I mean. I've showed you other ways to do it. Like you could do a narration using AutoCity and then just putting that in the audio track and then putting video on top of it. But I'm talking more about live video, which I'm doing now, and then incorporating pictures and other video while keeping the audio constant. Now, you can basically do that, and I'll show you how to do it in Pinnacle Studio. You can do that in Canva. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but it can be done, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Hey, gals and guys, it's Chris Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com. So I'm going to give you some tips about Canva today, Canva editing. So if you want to do like a live shot like I'm doing now, and I'm actually going to use this shot, and then you want to keep the audio constant, and then you want to add other video, other pictures on top of that. So it's a continuous narration, but you pop up once in a while, and I'll show you exactly what I mean. I've showed you other ways to do it. Like you could do a narration using AutoCity and then just putting that in the audio track. So this is what I'm talking about. If you have like Adobe Premiere, and in this case, this is Pinnacle Studio that I use over Premiere, just because I've used it forever and I'm familiar with it more than Premiere. So, anyways, this is what I mean and when I'm talking. Let's get a piece of video if I can find it here. Hopefully, something with me. Do 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 do. So let's take this piece of video right here. Okay. And then we want to add elements over it. So we'll take a picture. All right, let's say Jason, or that's not Jason Voorhees, Michael Myers. Sorry. All right. And you can put it on top and it will overlay, but you don't necessarily want me behind it. So what you can do is you can do a copy on here, and I'm going to show you how to do this in Canva. This is the point where I'm trying to get to in this. So you can like double up, so it's in the same time frame. And then what you can do is you can detach the audio here, detach audio. And then so the audio is going to be a constant stream, right? It's not going to break up or anything. It's going to be, you're not even going to know, the user who's watching this is not even going to know what you're doing. Oops, I did that wrong. Oops. Getting too crazy here. Getting too crazy. Getting too crazy. Okay, we'll go back here. So we got a constant stream of audio, and then we're going to do this. So it's going to be the end of this picture and then the beginning. So this is going to be seamless. So if you play it, as you see, and then you got the picture, and you can do something else with the picture. I'm not going to get too involved. So the audio doesn't break, the narration doesn't break, and it shows you, goes to picture, you can put video and so on. So that's what I want to show you in Canva. So that's why I'm showing you an example in Pinnacle. Not the easiest thing to do in Canva, but not terribly difficult. So what we want to do is let's start a new project. So if you go, let's create a design, and we want to create video. All right, and then we want to get some. We want to get a piece of video. So what you do in this case, so record your video like we're doing now, right? So we want to split the audio from the video. So here's a video I took, and then you actually watched in the beginning of this video. Where is it here? Where the hell did it go? Oh, it's right here. All right, let's get rid of these things. Okay, so it's right here. So what you want to do is, so I'm going to take this video and go to Google and go MP4 to MP3. And there's a ton of online converters out there that you can use. We'll just grab the first one here. So we're going to select the file that we want to do that with. And that is going to be right here. Okay, it's going to convert. So basically what we're doing, just like we did in Pinnacle here, we're going to break up the video from the audio. So the audio is a continuous stream, and then you can break up the video components like this. Canva only allows you one video track, unfortunately, and that's why you have to do this. Let me get back to where I was. Got too many windows open as normal. We will download. Okay, and then we'll get rid of that, and we'll go back to our thing here. So we will add this audio in. All right, and we're going to put that there. Oops, we want to add 0, and then we're going to add that video, which should already be uploaded on here, which should be right here. All right, so I'm going to put that here. So this audio is going to match this video. So what you can do at this point, excuse me, is you don't have to fart around with the audio, but you can move the video. Say you want it at 8 seconds. And then it doesn't matter really. I'm just anal about these things. All right, I can put some images in or something. I'll just put whatever. Put this in there, and we'll duplicate. We'll put, I don't know, we'll put this in there, and so on and so forth. Okay, and then, so you're at, and it depends if you want to put dissolves in or not. We can put some dissolves in. Okay, and then we can make this 8. If you're, I'm anal with my timestamps. They always have to be even because I just the way I am. So we'll duplicate that. We'll make that 8. Okay, and then you have to kind of manipulate it to where you're at. So okay, you've got 8 seconds there. You've got 5 seconds here. You got 5 seconds here. We'll put this in. We'll do a dissolve. And we'll go 5 seconds. Crap. It's very... Canva sometimes is very difficult to play with as far as editing video is concerned. All right, so you got 8 seconds. You've got another 10 seconds. You got about 18 seconds, right? So you're going to go back here, and you're going to go about 18 seconds in. So from there, you have to line up this video, this audio, I mean, with the video. So you do have to line up with the mouth, with the video to this audio. So that's kind of the hard part. It's not really. I've done it, and you probably can't even tell that I've done it. So it's just a matter of manipulating in this and getting it exactly to match up with that audio, just kind of like ADR, kind of sort of. And then you keep going, and then you can add video, and then you can put yourself again, and so on and so forth, and make an entire video. So what I would do, if you have a very long video you're going to do, I do it in 5 or 10 minute segments. Say this is 5 or 10 minutes. Then I would download it. And then if you do that 3 or 4 times with different segments, upload them back here, and then you can just place them in the time frame, in the video time frame. And you don't have to fart around with taking away the audio because you've already done it, right? It's already put together. You're just kind of stitching it all together. So that's how to do that, gals and guys. If you have any questions on this, I hope it wasn't too confusing. I'll certainly put them down in the description or put them down in the comments. I'll be more than happy to elaborate on anything. But hopefully this all made sense to you, and it will help you make some cool narration videos, some cool documentary type videos, things like that. I use it all the time. And that's it, gals and guys. I will talk. Hey, I got my Christmas hat on, so you know the holidays are coming. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell for updates, because I have to say that at the end of every video. I'm getting towards that $1,000 mark, $1,000 subscriber mark, and hoping to get there, start monetizing. That would be great. All right, gals and guys, talk to you soon.